Welcome back to Tech Avro. Did you delete lots of files in Google Drive but your storage space is still showing full? Hidden app data from connected tools and uncleared trash items silently eat up gigabytes of cloud storage. You can wipe out this invisible data in just a few quick clicks. Here is how to do it step by step. First, open Google Drive on your computer browser, click the gear settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. In the left sidebar of the settings window, click on Manage Apps. Scroll down the list of connected applications to find apps with hidden data nodes. Click the Options button next to the app and select Delete Hidden App Data. Confirm by clicking Delete to instantly free up that hidden space. Next, close the settings window and click on Trash from the left main sidebar. Click Empty Trash at the top right header menu and confirm by clicking Delete Forever. Your storage meter will drop immediately, freeing up your 15 GB space for good. If this guide helped you recover hidden storage, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Avro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.